Water hammer noise after flushing? You gotta install a water hammer arrestor as soon as possible to stop that banging in your pipes. So here's the deal. When you flush your toilet or shut off a faucet quickly, water slams against the pipes, causing that annoying banging sound. First off, find where the noise is loudest. Usually near the toilet or washing machine valves. Grab a water hammer arrestor from your local hardware store. They are super easy to install and don't need fancy tools. Turn off the main water supply before you start messing with pipes to avoid a mini flood disaster. Unscrew the valve or pipe fitting where you want to install the arrestor and just screw the device right in. It works like a shock absorber for water pressure. Make sure you pick the right size arrestor for your pipe diameter to get the best results. Test it by flushing or turning taps on and off. If the noise stops, you nailed it. If not, you might need to add arrestors at multiple points, especially near appliances like dishwashers or washing machines. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water hammer noise is ignoring it, thinking it's no big deal, but it can seriously damage your pipes over time, so don't wait. Another common issue is installing the wrong type or size of water hammer arrestor. This messes with water flow and won't stop the noise properly, so double check specs before buying. Third, some folks forget to shut off the water before installation, leading to leaks or flooding. Always turn off your main water valve first and keep a bucket handy just in case. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and guessing. It's also a solid platform for contractors to connect with customers who need real help with stuff like plumbing fixes or home upgrades.